Hello LEGO fans and welcome to LEGO by Extra Techie, a dedicated channel to the brick. I'm happy you're here. The following video is going to be a speed build of a particular set. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe, like, and watch the other videos. We try to do cool stuff here. We'll see you later. Cute little guy. A cute little guy indeed. Hey, thanks for watching the latest speed build on LEGO by Extra Techie, a channel dedicated to the brick. For more LEGO action, make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, and share the video out so we can grow this community. For more LEGO action, come back later. You'll never know what you find on LEGO by Extra Techie. See you next time.